Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How are you all, and welcome back to another interesting vlog. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean and descale washing machine. I have IFB 6.5 kilo washing machine. I purchased this almost 5 years ago, and this is going really good, and I didn't lodge any complaints till now with the customer care. It was running very nicely, and still it is going very good. And I do this descaling procedure every month. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I do this in step-by-step process, and all the product links will be in description box. And before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start the video.
This is how my washing machine looks. It's IFV 6.5 Senorita SX silver color model. It comes with stainless steel drum. Descaling is very much important to maintain this stainless steel drum, to remove the rust and to remove all blocks in pipes and drum. Top left corner there is one box. We can dispense detergent and fabric softener here, and we can even detach it while cleaning. And beside this box there is control panel. Here all the switches are there where we can control the wash cycles. And below this there is one door. If you open this, here is a drum. So this is just regular front load washing machine. I use this every day. Every day I put one load of laundry without fail. I don't like to accumulate too many dirty clothes, and I don't want to do multiple cycles of laundry. So I do one load every day. Every day after the washing machine is used, we need to take a soft cloth and wipe around this rubber gasket. This is very important to avoid fungus accumulation. This has to be done every day. Can you see the deposit? So this is a must. If we skip this step, you will see green color patches in the long run, and this will spoil the capacity of the washing machine. That will block all the drains and the holes. So this is a must. This only takes hardly 2 minutes. On the right hand side below, you will see one drain. You have to hold the cap and twist it to the left side, and it will open, and there you will see lot of deposits. Whatever fibers are caught from the washing, hair and all those things will be deposited there. So we need to wash this once in every 2 weeks at least. We can use simple toothbrush and wash it off. We can use simple dish liquid like Vim or Pril and use with a toothbrush. That will be enough. We need not use any fancy soaps or detergent for this. If you are wondering from where the foul smell is coming from your washing machine, this could be the reason. So this has to be done once in a week, once in 2 weeks. Because I do laundry every day, I do it once a week. By doing continuous maintenance and descaling techniques, we can avoid so many repairs. We need not call customer care for anything. Trust me, for many years I didn't get any complaints. And after the filter is washed, I am cleaning here with the toothbrush just to clear out any debris if it is left, and then just wash it with water, simple water. I am not using any detergent here. So now the cleaning is done. We need to put the filter back on. Just insert the filter and turn to clockwise direction. And now it's fixed, and we need to put the lid back on. Now I'm going to show you how to clean the detergent dispenser box. We need to pull it out. There is one button here. We need to press that button and pull the slot out, and it will come off. This technique is same for any brand washing machine. So this applies to everything. I am showing on IFB, but all the mechanisms are same for most of the brands. So you can try it out. And now I am removing all the slots from here. All these white patches you are seeing, these are all salt deposits. Our water has lot of salt, so that is why I always get these deposits. And I am using simple Vim liquid to clean this off, and a simple toothbrush. Just wash it off normally. It is always beneficial to use the liquid detergents, because if you use the powder ones, they always form the deposits and it will be more difficult to clean all these parts. So since day one I am using all the liquid detergents only. Normally I use the Surf Excel front load, but sometimes I use the IFB one also. IFB one is very good because we need not add the comfort fabric softener. So I keep changing the detergents, but I always use liquid detergents. That's the only thing. And if you are not comfortable with the toothbrush, you can even use the any scrubber. That would make your job easy. After scrubbing them for a few minutes, we need to wash them under plain tap water. Thoroughly we need to wash them. We need to remove all the detergent that we used. And now let's clean this slot. So this one also same, I'm using the toothbrush and nothing else. After scrubbing for a few minutes, we need to use one clean cloth and wipe it off. That's it, our chamber is ready. Now we can insert the box back. Now the cleaning part is done, and let's go to the descaling part. This descaling powder I got from Amazon, and I'll be giving you the link in description box. This is especially made for IFB washing machines. We just need to cut this pouch and completely empty the contents into the drum. And we need to run the longest cycle. So I kept a cycle which runs for 2 hours 13 minutes. So the longest cycle will be 2 hours plus in any other brands as well. So we just need to run the machine, that's it. And after the cycle is done, we'll see how it's going to look. After cleaning and descaling, this is how the drum is going to look. This is so clean and smelling clean too. Descaling process is very important and it has to be done once a month, and all the product links are in description box. So that's it for today guys. If you have any suggestions or topic requests, please leave a comment. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.